Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use Beat Sync in CapCut to make those viral TikTok style edits that perfectly match your video with the music. Let's get started. First, open the CapCut app and create a new project. Then here, import the clips or photos that you want to edit. Next, tap on Add Audio at the bottom and choose a sound from your device or CapCut's music library. And now select your clips, then tap on Beat Sync from the toolbar. And CapCut will analyze the music automatically and mark the beats for you. Choose your preferred sync style like a flush cut for quick transitions or smooth for cinematic flow. And tap Generate, and CapCut will automatically cut and sync your clips to match the beats of the song. And from here, you can fine tune by trimming, adding effects or transitions to make it more engaging. And that's it. That's how you use Beat Sync and CapCut to create perfect TikTok style edits. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.